Okay, so we are back at Cotton Way. Everything is more or less done. Carpets are down, quite durable. Paint's really nice. So the kitchen cabinets are being installed now. Fortunately, that's been glued, so we can't remove that. But it matches more or less. That thing there, they're going to get something to cap it up. That's for the washing machine. That's all being done. So the plan is, I think the guys are going to have everything removed for Wednesday, and I'll come back and take preliminary marketing pictures. Then I've done what I can now. I'll come back and take preliminary marketing pictures on Wednesday, some videos, do the snagging video, leave the snagging with them while I take viewings. I need to ask somebody else to do the rubbish now, and the guys will do the garden on a Wednesday while I do the pictures and everything on the inside. All the light switches, all that sort of stuff. All the sockets are going to be changed tomorrow as well. So this is bedroom number 2. Painting is really good. Yeah, it's very white, but the inside's good quality white. I need to arrange a deep clean. So this is the tiling. So this will be the second stage of the payment. And it's fine. So this is just to clear it. So obviously this will come up in the snagging. But in terms of tiling itself, okay. So we need to release the second payment. Okay. The shower screen's downstairs, so that's going to be put up. And obviously the board there is there. That's actually quite a nice big bathroom. Second bedroom, and then the ensuite with the master bedroom, and that's it. See ya.